know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. All hope you can hear me now, you see me? I really hope you can hear me, but you know what thing, go? I feel like I do more videos like these because sometimes, honestly, I don't have the time. Not say I ditch my subscriber them or not like that, but I just feel like say, if I do free videos like this without the fancy editing and stuff like that, me can get me thing them up faster cause yo right now time is like this. I don't got it. I really don't got it. You see me? But we there, you see me? And today I want to talk about me know the silly topic, you know. But again me have to repeat it cause me can't grow on the fact like say I don't know say DMR. Yeah man, DMR, CVLNJ, CV, yeah that you there. I can't deny the fact say him did dip on Fox 5. You see me? I can't deny the fact that and I can't see it and don't talk about it because what? You see when him go on with him foolishness, I forward out and I burn him. Not necessarily burn him, but we correct him and say, yo, you can't do that X, Y, and Z. And I have to big him up again because even though I did do out a video I say X, Y, and Z, probably some other vloggers would have see it as a this and see it as say, yo, how would I you with your forward from? I can't like say more come style, me think. At them time they know me think Lily. Nah, say me think turn up now cause I don't have a bag of subscriber. People me just reach 1,300. My channel just get monetized and all these things. You see me? But he never diss me in no way. He just take it and do back a video and say, yo, this is why me have to move so and this is why X, Y, and Z. And me have to shout out to that. So right now when him do good work and we see things are manifest and a reward and them big thing and me can't go and like say, yo, me no see it. Me can't lock me eye and go and like say, me no see say him do good things and see say Fox 5 feature him because when Masicka, ALKALINE and everybody did go on Fox 5, me did talk about it. And whether or not me and him a deal, yes or no, we good. But whether or not we not deal, yo, if you're a vlogger, reach on Fox 5, yo, I'm very proud. When them did call Jerry their name, me did talk about it same way and say me proud of them. Me don't remember me did make a video. Probably make, probably me don't make. Me don't remember cause me do so much videos, me never know some of them, you see me. But me definitely did go over them page and comment and give them the support and all these things, you see me. So now that's CV get the same treatment. You can't turn a blind eye. And this have to show and say, yo, the thing out there, people are see the thing. This is a lucrative business. This is something we can people are eat out of it. Food in there for eat, but me honestly for tell you the truth, when food for eat, food I go eat. But me just do this for the love of it and for occupy my time. It might sound a way, but yeah, me just do it for occupy my time right now. And me love dancehall music, me love interact with people, and it's always good to have a platform where you can share your views and all these things. You see me? So me have to say big up CV and your whole team. I don't know if I y'all alone or work. Well, upon the interview, I never really y'all alone. Them show and next umbre we say am I your producer, your director or something like that. But big up the whole team. You see me? And people, in the last video, I talk about it. The vloggers them need to unite. You see me? And me nah stop say so. You see me and every vlogger good. Me try to link with every vlogger. Me try to don't be disrespectful to certain vlogger. You see me? Me try to not pick no side. You see me? Me we over Yeti them live more time and comment. Me we over CMR them live. Me they over DMR them channels same way, rapper, crapper, soul flow, everybody. You see me? Once you not diss me nah try for diss you, daddy. You see me? And I feel like say I saw a vlogger them live. I mean, you and one can in one little beef and nobody no really know, you know. Me and somebody can no good and nobody no know, you know. As well as you have some other people channel, them are just, me nah say are just gimmicks, but they are just trolls. And sometimes not telling a lie. The troll them funny. Sometimes you laugh till a week. As I hear one youth say one time, and I yet say so. YouTube, and everybody are gonna do one thing on YouTube. They're gonna have some man take them content serious and try to be all professional and thing. You see me? And me I show you an example. J area there. You see me? Big up to them. Them always try to be professional. You know you can't use the indecent language over them channel. You see one something come up say yo that can't work and them your comment get deleted and all these things. You see me? And then yeah, we have a man like Yeti. When you go up on them on the channel, I just be a joke. Sometimes I serious talk, and one next time I not so serious talk. You see me? And then yeah, we have CMR where them on they take them craft serious, whether you like it or not. Whether him biased or him unbiased, the man them take them craft serious. You see me? And then you have Brando. Well, is a youth rate because them man they deconstruct some songs more time. And people want to watch a video, you know, cause every day me I go do a video and I talk about flaggers. You see me? But Brando, pick up yourself, you have good youth, you deconstruct some song more times there. And then you have my bonafide virgin terror than yo, when you want to laugh, you need to check them on the page. When you want to hear story, you need to check them on the page. You see me? When you want to hear them and they do a review, but it come like it's a video him do, cause when him done with the review, you can picture everything in your mind and say yo that and that and that, they go and check them on the page. So what me I try to say still, it all away fi just try live. If you can't tolerate a man, you can't tolerate a man. Me not tell us if you link with everybody. You see me? But we need to regularize this vlogging thing. We need to organize it good. You see it? Because the vlogging thing will go somewhere. You see me? DMR, you're a good youth, and I watch a video with you last night. I not even don't watch the video yet, you know, because I premiere it and I catch it in a Miglite premiere and I say yo, I go watch a rerun, but I never get to it yet. But in the last part I say a whole heap of things I go through. I never know I say so much things I go through and I still I do it. You see me? A whole heap of things I go through still. As I say, I'm young in a vlogging thing, I just forward and I do my thing. But as I say, yeah, good youth. You see me? And people, tell me if you don't like them kind of reviews, yeah. Just me and you attack. You see me? No bag of fancy nothing. All up the audio quality good, because right now I just go not edit it. So it go straight up off of the camera where I use all up it good. You see me? Music business are going good, you know. And more make a point, you know, because I see that thing are growing over and over and over. I think I will put it in our video still, but hold on. Yeah. Whether or not Alkaline get a hit for 2017 or I'm done getting a hit for 2017. People, where who no think? I go do one video upon it still, but you can comment in the comment section now and tell me what you think, because me don't know if you don't realize, you know, but for the past couple of years, a two man on the front runner in a dance hall, and that is Alkaline and Vibes Cartel. And you know, say Vibes Cartel they did a long time, but Alkaline are the newcomer where we can't grow on the fact say that you there, him and do him thing, you see me? And the two artists them have, me not say a bad ear, but a not so good ear compared to other ears. And me not bash none of them. Vibes Cartel, we don't know him situation already, so I know nothing if him have a bad ear. Alkaline, from your forward, you don't really drop off, so I know nothing if you have a bad ear again. But you notice that the two artists them we don't have a good ear. How much newcomer artists rise out of the ear? I want to sit down and I want to meds it and look out for the next review when I go talk about that topic there. I don't want to vlog around with it, you know. Big up on yourself still. You see me, a DJ Chaddy there. And just tell me in the comment section if you don't like this type of review. You know what I mean? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget. You see me at I am DJ Chaddy, so that's IAM DJ CHADDY. Subscribe, comment and share. I'm out.